way, see? This is a recycling bin. But it's not ordinary recycling bin.
Bazinga!
Recycle-mania! Jackass kids.
Yes.
So now we're pretty much gonna put them in the recycling bin, shake them around, and yeah.
In my life.
Then ditch him.
That's cool.
Okay, let's do this.
You should have set the ditch part, Ben. Go. Shit. Holy fuck. Oh, Lord, yeah. It's not going up. Oh, damn it. Oh. No. Minor difficulties. And now we're gonna ram into someone with the recycling bin. Go, let's go.
Oh no, ram into me.
Now we're gonna rhyme into someone with a recycling bin.
Go back.
Okay, that's it on episode number 1.